get all of our lines drawn before we cut. And we're using this straight edge to just kind of keep it consistent. So that's why we got this gap right here when we're drawing. I put in a new blade to start cutting this 1-inch foam, and it's working pretty good. It cuts it like butter, pretty much. Just gotta go through it a couple times. Pretty thick. Alright, we're gonna attempt to put our first one in, so flipping over the fabric for the underside. And we're gonna have extra on the left and right side. We just gotta make sure the top and bottom have even amount of distribution. So the dilemma we're running into is that our chair cover is tapered, so it has a weird angle. And so we're trying to figure out a best way to flush this.
So I think we need a staple here and then pull it up.
So the sides look pretty good.